Hey guys, I got a disposable camera when I was in Japan and I tried it here in Montreal. It was quite fun and refreshing to me, and I got some lessons from the disposable camera. And interestingly, I found that these are somehow related to Wabi-Sabi, which is a Japanese concept of aesthetics. If you are not familiar with it, please check my past video about Wabi-Sabi. And today I'll just share what I learned through the experience of playing with it with my POV video. Wabi out of Wabi-Sabi means rough, serene, or imperfect. So it says cherishing the beauty of imperfection. Obviously, disposable cameras are not perfect. It's quite rough in many ways. But that's the beauty of disposable cameras. Today, we are losing a room to enjoy roughness and forcing ourselves to be perfect. With technology, you can make a perfect image, but it's not necessarily beautiful artistically. The disposable camera reminded me of accepting imperfection and find beauty out of it. Obviously, the image quality is lower than cameras most of you guys usually use. But it does have a specific taste only this camera has. It's not a vertical difference, but horizontal. Each camera has a taste, and we gotta enjoy them as it is. And it's not necessarily the end result, but the whole experience. When I used the disposable camera, I felt the rough texture of plastic, the sound of rolling films, and grainy images. You wouldn't get what you wanted exactly, and you cannot retouch them like you do with your digital camera, but you can find beauty out of them by accepting what it is. Sabi means old, worn, or rusty, and it says finding the beauty in faded things. In this world, all things are fading, there's no exception. That's why they are beautiful, and that's the concept of Sabi. You can feel it obviously from disposable cameras. It only has 27 shots. You can clearly see the number of shots you have. And when it's done, you never see this specific individual camera. It will just leave you 27 photos. That's why when you use it, you think what to take more seriously. You can cherish each shot more than usual. That can make you take better ones than when you use an expensive camera. And even if you use a digital camera, it's aging. There's no forever. So it reminds me of using things politely, even though it doesn't seem aging. You gotta let them age nicely. Subjects you take are also aging, second by second. There's nothing the exact same as you just took. Things keep changing. And in this sense, street photography can have a meaning. Capture moments that nobody cares about. Things composing this world are combinations of what nobody cares about. And years later, they could amaze someone else. The disposable camera made me think such a big thing, but whatever I said, the thing is, it was quite fun to walk around with it. It just matters most. When you do something different from usual, you will find something new. When you are stuck or unmotivated to go out to take photos, disposable cameras could help you get out of it. I really enjoyed it and I would do it again when I feel I need something different. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you wanna watch more, don't forget to hit the subscribe and like button. See you later.